All right. You bored with school? Maybe, yeah. Sick of the same old thing? Well, do something. You finally get your chance to run your class like you want to. Welcome to Genius Hour, a place where you get to teach the curriculum outlined by Warren Township for this 9 weeks to your classmates the way you want to. You have been specially selected because you are awesome. Ms. Cheek just keeps bragging about how innovative you are. You get to create fun, exciting, and engaging lessons for all your classmates. How will you be graded, you ask? Well, how well you learned your standard, how well you teach your classmates, and you have to get your message across to your students. So that's the whole thing with teaching your classmates. And if you choose the best medium for the message that you are trying to convey, this is a large portion of your Q4 grade. If you fail at first, you will have a few days to try to revamp and reteach. So this is directly from the Q4 Warren Township. Our big ideas are that authors draft and develop an idea to share, which you guys are doing. All mediums have advantages and disadvantages. Authors choose carefully. That's why you get to choose what medium is best for the message you're putting across. And the information should be presented efficiently and effectively, meaning everybody can understand it and learn from it. Your essential questions are, who will listen to what I have to say? And how can I capture the right audience for my message? We're focusing on drafting and developing a well-researched message for an audience and sharing that message using a variety of methods. So for Genius Hour, feel free to make a copy of this. I've already gave you one copy, but to use to guide you and gather your teaching materials for your video, I suggest using the headings that you'll see on the following slides to guide you. You will erase and adjust font size and color for the Let Me Explain sections you'll see here. And you can also choose different theme, whatever you want to do, it's fine. This is just here for you to make sure that you've got all your parts. After you copy, you can delete all the blue slides because the white slides are your template. So you would start off just like you hear a lot on MobyMax. In this lesson, you will learn how to apply the following Indiana State Standard. I suggest, here's where I explain what you put here. Introduce your standard as a whole and explain it to your audience in the words that they can understand. Because you're going to use your interactive notebook that you've already filled this stuff out for to help you. You looked up those hard words to understand already, so just help guide your classmates through those. So I suggest, like I said, pasting your standard there and explaining it, and then tell them how awesome you are. Next, you'll go for step 1. In order to totally understand this standard, you must first learn how to, and then whatever your students have to learn first in order to get the big picture. Because most of you guys had to break your standards down, many lessons. That's what you did in your interactive journal, right? So in that case, you're probably going to make several videos and just change the slide to step number 2, step number 3, and go on. So like this one, you do step 1, follow the guide that's following, and then start a new presentation, repeating it for the next step. So like this will be in this lesson, you will learn. So let them know what they're going to learn. Then here are some examples. Maybe put some examples in there for them to review what you just taught them. Now you try. Now give them some questions that you can create that'll help so that you know if they actually learned what you just taught them or not, okay? And then final thought. So you might leave them with the final thought of a way to contact you for help if they need to, something like that. Let them know that you're the one presenting this information. So then this is where you would start again, the next step if you wanted to, and then go on from there. So this is a template. Like I said, it is on Google Classroom for you. It'll be your own copy you can have. But if you ever need to look back at it, I have it right here under the video template. Are there any